We are doing lesson number 15, polymers, for class 12 NCERT chemistry. So today we will be doing some examples of fiber nylon. Nylon fiber is of three different types. These three different types are nylon 6/6, nylon 6 and nylon 2/6, which is also called as nylon 2, nylon 6. Now in this, what we had studied when we did the examples of condensation, polymerization reaction, so there we studied nylon 6/6 and we try to understand that why it is named as nylon 6/6. It is named nylon 6/6 because it is made up of two monomers, each having 6 carbon. Similarly, we can see that nylon 2/6 is made from is a polymer made from monomeric unit. Probably one will be having 2 carbons and the other will be having 6 carbon. But here we see only one, that means it is made up of only one type of monomeric unit. Nylon 6/6 is made up of two monomers. For example, one monomer is hexamethylene diamine and other is adipic acid. And we also started the formula for them. Hexamethylene diamine is CH2 whole 6, that is hexamethylene and diamine, and adipic acid is this is adipic acid. So when these two they condense, then they release a water molecule, and by using condensation mechanism they polymerize and form molecule like this. From here OH is removed, from here H is removed, and a molecule is formed like this, which polymerizes to form nylon 6/6. Right? For nylon 6, it is made up from one monomeric unit only, which is called as caprolactam. First, let us try to understand that how caprolactam is formed. It is formed from benzene. When benzene is oxidized, that means oxygen is added to it, it forms a molecule like this, which is called as cyclohexanone. When it is reacted with ammonium hydroxide, then this O is replaced by NOH, right, and this molecule is called as cyclohexanozyme. Cyclohexanozyme, in presence of sulfuric acid, it undergoes a reaction which is called as Bachmann rearrangement, and caprolactam is formed. Right? What is caprolactam? Caprolactam is a seven-membered ring. Like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is the 6 carbon and NH. This molecule is known as caprolactam. Caprolactam, when it is heated with water, then this molecule gets hydrolyzed, and this bond, it breaks here, and because of that it forms a molecule which is, now here it will be COOH, CH2 whole 5, and then NH2. This molecule is formed, right? And out of this, by removing water, this molecule which is left, it polymerizes and forms nylon 5. This is nylon 6, sorry, nylon 6. Okay, so this is nylon 6 and this is the formula for nylon 6. Another molecule, polymer, which we have to see, that is a nylon 2,6. Nylon 2,6 is made from 2 units which are called as glycine, and second unit is aminocaproic acid. Formula for glycine is this, and aminocaproic acid is so here this is the 6 carbon and this is 2, and they form nylon 2,6. Okay. Now let us try to understand that what is the difference between this and this. One difference is that it is made up of 2 monomeric units. So it is having 2 different types of monomers. It is formed from 1 monomer only. In this case, it is formed by condensation mechanism. But here in this case, it is chain opening mechanism. Right? So these are some of the differences between nylon 6,6 and nylon 6. Nylon 2,6 is a biodegradable polymer. We know that nylon is a synthetic fiber, but out of this nylon 6,6 and nylon 6, they are not degraded in nature, whereas nylon 2,6 is a biodegradable polymer. So this example you should remember, because this fiber, it can be degraded in nature by ecosystem. So these are some of the nylon fibers which you can remember by comparing. And as far as uses are concerned, nylon 6,6, we all know that it is used for making nylon fiber, right, or nylon fabric also is made from this. Nylon 6, it is used for making different types of nylon materials for fabrication, as well as for making nylon sheets, and nylon other materials are also made from this. Nylon 2,6, it is having a lot of elasticity and it has got a lot of strength also. So it is used for making parachutes and for making ropes, etc. It is also used for making flooring, this kind of materials, because it is a very you can say it has a lot of strength and it is very elastic. So these are some of the uses. You can read about other uses also, but these are characteristic uses of nylon fiber. Okay.